Again, welcome to my channel Learning Civil Rocks. If you really like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. Today I am going to tell you about how to draw a stair in a plan. This is the dog list type of stair. So first of all, length of the landing is 6 feet 6 inches. Minimum tread width is 10 inches. Minimum length of one tread is 3 feet. As you know about tread and landing. If you don't know, then no problem, I am going to show you. First of all, you go through this. So minimum length of one tread will be 3 feet and riser height should be 6 inches. Landing will be in the middle of the floor height. So if the floor height is 10 feet, then its landing will be at 5 feet. So landing height is 5 feet from the ground. So calculate number of riser. As we know, the number of riser will be equal to floor height divided by one riser height. Generally we are consider here as a minimum tread width should we have to taken that 10 inches and minimum length of one tread will be 3 feet. So and riser height will be 6 inches. So in that way, if you want to calculate in my stair how many risers I want to provide in that, so go for floor height divided by one riser height. As you know, the floor height is 10 feet divided by one riser height is 6 inches. So divided by 10 feet into 12. I have converted this feet into inches, so multiply with 12 and divided by 6. I got 20. This 20 is the riser number of riser. So number of riser or steps both are same. So this is the 20 and tread will be 20 minus 1. If the riser will be 20, then tread will be less of 1, so 19. If you need to increase your riser height as a 6 inches to 8 inches, then you will get some less of riser. Number of riser will be less, like 16, 18. So this is the stair for a residential building. So this is the process. Now I want to show you what is the tread, what is the riser height. So go for AutoCAD. Now you can see this is my landing. This is the step 1 2 3 4. You can see it here. This is my right tread. You can see this is tread and this is riser. This horizontal is tread of a stair. If you place your feet in this tread, its minimum width should be 10 inches and the riser should be 6 inches for your comfortness. So go for dimension, check it whether it is 10 feet or not. You can see this is 10 inches and riser will be of 6 inches. No problem, I have delete this. We don't need dimension here right now. I hope you understand what is tread and what is riser. Now you should understand about the landing. As you know, the floor height is 10 feet and this landing means if you go through this 1 2 3 10 step, then you will get some landing. Now you can come here and now you can climb this up to the stair. So this is the landing will be minimum of middle height. So this is total floor height is 10 feet and it will be on the 5 feet height. So in each side 10 steps or riser. So this is, as I already told you, this is the tread and this is the riser. This is tread. Now go for dimension, check it, the landing width. This is the length of the landing. So you can see in my previous videos I have given this as a 6 feet 6 inches up to the column. One column to another column I have kept in that my previous video 6 feet 6 inches. So this is the length of this landing. So now you should know about the width of the landing. So this is the width, corner and point to this. This is the 3 feet. You can see it here. This is the 3 feet. This is now this one thread height should be 10 inches and no problem, I will keep my this folder, this PDF file into the description box. You can read it from there. So this will be your threads, and this will be your threads. Now you can see this gap is 6 inches. If you climb like this to your stair, now like this, you have to leave some spaces. That spaces is 6 inches. This is, if you see this type of stair, that is called dog leg type of stair. So this is the thread and this is the riser. I hope you understand very well. Now you can see, now you are confused that what is the total width of the stair, means how long I should go for a stair, how many spacing of the stair I should leave. Go for dimension. This is my one end point of the stair to this. See, this is 11 feet 4 inches. This, if you are drawing a plan of a stair, then you have to need this width of the stair as a 11 feet 4 inches, and length should be 6 feet 6 inches. So this is the stair, and this is the, for understanding view, I have explained you this. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this.